Hey guys, this is the Anime Fiend bringing to you today Jujutsu Kaisen chapter number 130. And of course, we had an unexpected break in the previous week, so yeah, we gotta continue from 2 weeks ago. And well, of course, what we saw in the last chapter was Mahito. He was gonna use his domain expansion for point 0.2 seconds, right? Because of course, he can't deal with Sukuna, and if he does his domain expansion, of course, Sukuna is gonna come out and just, one shot him. So, of course, he is afraid of Sukuna, so he decides to use his domain expansion for only point 0.2 seconds, right? But of course, as soon as Todo notices he's using this domain expansion, he tries to use his simple domain, and Yuji is even faster than him, and he's going towards Mahito to exercise him before he uses his domain expansion. But of course, Mahito being Mahito, he was the fastest, and yeah, he successfully used his domain expansion for point 0.2 seconds, and we see an interaction between Sukuna and Mahito, right? And Sukuna is just staring at him, smiling, right? He isn't saying anything, and Mahito is like, well, I take it I'm safe right now, right, Sukuna? Because, you see, it's only for point 0.2 seconds, and, well, I see you have a deal with Itadori, but, well, right now you can't do anything, so just shut up and watch. And we see, him using this domain expansion, and because of that, he just transforms Todo's arm, and Todo's arm just poof, right? It just explodes, right? And of course, Mahito, he just capitalizes on the situation as soon as possible, right? Because of course, Todo was a problem to him, and he just uses Black Flash on Todo. And of course, because normal people would have been toast because of this attack, but of course, this is Todo, so yeah, he is still conscious, and nothing happened to him. I mean, of course, it took damage, but minimal damage. And Mahito is like, God damn, man, this dude, and he soon goes for the second attack, right? But of course, Todo being Todo, he claps Mahito's hands, right? And Mahito is like, yeah, what the hell? Because of course, Todo's one of his arms just exploded. So Mahito thought like Todo can't do his ability anymore. But yeah, Todo claps Mahito's arm instead, and well, of course, swaps with Itadori, and well, there you go. Itadori uses Black Flash, and we see, Todo's hand. It's like it's charred, right? But of course, because it was just for an instant, it wasn't as worse as it would have been if it was like a direct attack. So yeah, that was good, right? But of course, Itadori and Mahito, they start fighting. Todo is just lying there on the ground. He probably, at least for now, isn't gonna continue the fight. And well, we of course see Mahito versus Itadori, but well, for a second it feels like, yeah, Itadori got back, but Mahito is like, well, I, finally found the true essence of my soul, the true form. And whoa, he starts to transform, and god damn, he's like, well, idle transfiguration, instant spirit body of distorted killing. I mean, look, the names in Jujutsu Kaisen are just weird, right? I mean, remember Mahogura, right? So yeah, but of course, Mahito changes into this, distorted thing. He looks more like a cursed spirit now, right? Like before, he was looking like a human, but now, yeah, he looks kind of like Hanami, right? The Groot dude, yeah. Yeah, he kind of looks like that, and he's like, well, Itadori, how about wishing me happy birthday? you know, of course, He transforms into this crazy beast, and yeah, I think the battle is gonna be even more difficult this time. Of course, Todo is down, so he's not gonna be up for quite some time, I think. But yeah, I don't know what's gonna happen next, man. I don't know what Itadori could do at this point. Like, I mean, of course we know we have Sukuna, but yeah, maybe, I think this fight isn't gonna go to Sukuna. I think Itadori is gonna do something, but yeah, let's see what that something is. But of course, that is the video because that's the chapter, and well, we're gonna see what's gonna happen next, anyways, in the next chapter, and yeah, I'm excited, man. I'm excited for this fight. I'm excited to see like how Itadori would take this new form, right? Anyways, that's the video. So you see, I have a Patreon, so if you guys want to support me on Patreon, then of course you can subscribe there and support me a little more than regular. But of course, all you gotta do is watch my videos, like them, share them, subscribe to my channel, and of course that is helpful enough. But of course, you just if you want to support a little more than that, then you could subscribe to my Patreon. But well, as always, until next time, peace.